Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Maths with Miss S. This is part 1 on an algebra intro, and in this video we're gonna go over the very basics of algebra. We all know that 3 plus 4 is 7. If I now tell you I have 3 forks and 4 forks, I would have a total of 7 forks. The forks don't change, I'm just counting them. If I now get lazy and I don't want to write forks all the time, I'm just going to use the letter F, and the letter F is going to stand for fork. So 3F plus 4F is also 7F. Now let's combine 3 forks and 4 knives. Would I be able to actually count those together? No, we wouldn't be able to actually count that together as 7 fork knives or something like that. We can't simplify any further if it is 2 different kinds of objects and we're adding or subtracting. So I can't just add or subtract knives and forks together. Same goes for different letters in algebra. So if I have 3F and 4K, I can't simplify that any further. Now let's look at 3 forks plus 2 knives minus 1 forks and plus 3 knives. What would that be? We can just resort whatever is the same, what's the like thing. Later we're going to call that like terms. So we have 3 forks minus 1 forks in this expression there. So I'm going to move those together. And then I see I also have knives. So I have 2 knives and 3 knives. So I'm going to write them together as well. So in total we have 3 forks minus 1 forks, which is 2 forks, and we have 2 knives and 3 knives together, which is 5 knives. So we now understand that we can add and subtract things that are the same. So in total my 2 forks and 5 knives now is as simple as I can write this down, because now again I have different kinds of objects that I cannot put together. I'm now going to write the same thing that we just did there with just letters. 3F plus 2K minus 1F plus 3K. Again, we look for the same kind of thing. So 3F minus 1F, I put those together, and 2K plus 3K, I put these two together as well. So I get 3F minus 1F, which is 2F, and 2K plus 3K is 5K, and that's as simple as I can make this expression. So the most important thing that you should understand after watching this video is that we can only add like terms, which means the same letter, which would now be called the same variable. So something that is a variable is usually a letter, so only the same letters with the same power.